Hey everyone, this is Trader AG, and this is my first video on YouTube, making videos slightly similar to Jim Dalton, where he previews a week on his week ahead videos. And I just wanted to share my thoughts with you on what I think about Bitcoin this week and what I see on the market, what I see people are saying on the market, and how manipulative it could get through Monday to Friday. So let's get started. So this week we have a data release on Friday. I believe that is important, yes. And other than that, it will be a smooth week when it comes to what kind of information will be here. And I do expect a week where, so let me actually set the scene first. Right now, we have been going up from $56,000 from 15th of August. And it has been a pretty strong uptrend. And as you can see, the point of controls every day has been going up usually. So it usually shows a strength of the movement. And currently, for the last 3 days, basically over the weekend, we have been ranging in this range between $65,000 and one second, let's see it, $65,000 and 63,800. And we have made this range right here, as you can see here. I'll actually get these things off as well so we can have a better look. So this was our range for the weekend, and we took the lows and then we took the highs, and now we are back on the lows, just below it, and we are currently going down to test these highs right here. That was resistance ones. So this week, from what I see from the market sentiment, the most of the crypto Twitter are expecting a move in terms of a short move, well, basically a price drop down around these levels to $61,000 or $62,000, and then a move back up to 67, maybe 66, $65,000 above these areas, and then a rejection from there. So that's the main market sentiment from what I see on crypto Twitter. So as you know, when something this big is posted on Twitter, usually the market loves to just do something that is exceptionally different than what people think. So what I think here will happen is that we most likely will not top out at 66 or $67,000 because those levels seem to be too much of retail levels, and I do believe we won't be as bullish as we have to be for a drop at those levels. So what I expect this week, or the first week of September, is we have to get a pivot around here. That is what I expect as well. Maybe at 61,800, maybe at 62,300, around those levels. I do expect a long from myself and a lot of people as well. But what I think of these levels are, when you're longing these levels, you have to make sure that you have a good stop loss. So what I think of it is that I will be longing most likely around 61,800, and I will have my stop loss below probably 58,500 because I want to be, I don't want to be swept by the big money, and I will be actually aiming above these highs here because from what I see, again, from the market is expecting above these highs, and market is expecting to short around here, right? And I genuinely don't think, looking at the market in a bigger perspective, at $66,000, people will be that bullish. Because if we are expecting a drop, which I kind of am, as you can see on my, on my Twitter, I will post my Twitter page here as well. I do want more people to be bearish before we make. I'm sorry for that. I do want people to be more bullish before we actually go down. So I do believe that happens above $70,000. Can we reverse from here, or not reverse from here, but just put it, push it up? Yes, but I will look for confirmations here for a short, and I will still look for, the shorts at 66,300, 65,700, around those levels. But I genuinely think those are becoming more and more retail levels as we push into this week more. So that is my weekly view on Bitcoin. Currently, I'm expecting a bit of a more drop down, as you can see here, and I do expect these highs to be taken at some point this week because they are week highs, and they are not taken on multiple and major crypto exchanges like Bybit. So I do expect these highs to be taken, but first I think it's better to make people load into those shorts and then push it up and trap those shorters around there. So that's what I expect from this week. I hope this was helpful on what you think, because I can imagine you as a viewer to be easily manipulated by seeing people, say levels like short on 66, long on 62, and have it on until, $80,000. Just make sure that wherever you're following, if you're seeing a pattern, a chart too much on crypto Twitter or Instagram, I don't know what you're following, know that, big money is seeing that too. So that is my main point this week. I do expect a move that is unplanned or unexpected by the market, and I do want that to be a push to $70,000. So I will see you later in the week, probably with a new video. You can let me know what you think. You can let me know what you think about the sound, about the quality of the content, and what you can expect, or ask some questions in the comments. So thank you so much, and have a great week.